Mainit-init na chismis ang nakakalungkot na balita sa bashers. Isang kaibigan, ibinuging na si Belle lang talaga ang babae sa buhay ni Donnie. Kwento niya sa isang panayam ng Marites, when everyone was shipping him with other people, to him, Belle was his only safe space. She was there during his precious and not so precious moments. She saw through him and stayed when everyone else turned their backs on him, only her. Dagdag pa niya, siya lang talaga, Belle Mariano, the one and only, the first and last gift ni Donnie Pangilinan, Don Belle forever.